guys, today's video is to unbox the TP-Link M7350 Mi-Fi modem. Before I unbox it, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment down below. And let's get started. So let's unbox it. And here we have the modem. The instructions, quick installation guide, mobile Wi-Fi, the SIM card cap, the cable for charging the modem, and this is for the modem battery. Let's check it out. What is inside the modem? Here we have a Wi-Fi password and the name of the modem, and some barcode there, modem name. Yeah, this is just the logo. Right now I'm finished inserting my SIM card and using DG. All that's left is connect to my phone and my laptop to see how fast the speed is. Okay, right now it's already connected. I just want to test it out. How fast is it? The maximum downloading speed is 150 Mbps. So let's see how fast is it. That's it. Forget to tell there's a TP Mi-Fi app, so let's go to Play Store and download it. And this is what is inside the app looks like. First, check the uploading and downloading speed, data usage total, how much you have used, what total data usage limit, how much it will alert you, free data period, start time, end time, it's like a timer. Battery you can check, power saving mode, Wi-Fi range medium, and I'm going to change to long range. And Wi-Fi sharing, this is for scanning the barcode, SMS to check the SIM card message. SD cards sharing, there's no SD card for that, so that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and leave a like, comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.